Greetings, this video is about cloth printing industry which is prepared by me, Chen Wei Leong, and also my teammate Chok Jing Xian. So we are supervised by both Dr. Mimi Hayani and also Mr. Ali Firdaus. So I will start with the introduction first. So cloth printing industry is one of the fast-growing industry worldwide as it enables the customization of desired designs or patterns on the fabric. So in this industry, heat press method is applied. So it is an application of heat energy which is to transfer the image onto the shirt. So some of the advantages of using heat press method in cloth printing industry includes: first, lower cost which only required of printing and heat press equipment, and second is customer is able to customize their own design of products, and last but not least is less time will be required for the products to be finished. So in cloth printing industry, worker job scope is divided into 3 steps, which is first, the preheating of machine, and second is the preparation of heat pressing as well as the arrangement, and lastly is the printing and peeling of image onto the transfer of shirt.
HYREC is a method of identifying workplace accidents, with risk level assessment being one of the key aspects in implementing an occupational health and safety management system. It consists of hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control. Hazard is anything that can cause harm, including injury, disease, death, environmental, property, and equipment damage. The 6 main categories of hazards are biological, chemical, physical safety, ergonomic, and physiological hazard. Risk is a measure for analyzing and evaluating the hazard. The measurement is done by determining the severity of a hazard and when it is most likely to occur. The risk assessment matrix level, as shown, is useful in identifying and prioritizing the most severe risks. After a hazard is analyzed, a control should be taken in order to eliminate or inactivate the hazard. This could be done based on hierarchy of control. It classifies risk controls from greatest level of protection and reliability to lowest and least dependable protection. It's a step-by-step method for eliminating or lowering risk.
So I will now proceed with the potential hazard in this industry. So I will start with the physical hazards part. So the first category is caused by the using of machines, such as the example of heat press machine as well as the sewing machine. So the recommendation is, first of all, worker has to be extra cautious when handling work, and they are also recommended to wear thick gloves. And second is caused by the burdens of examples such as overload sockets. So it may cause fire due to the undetected heat generated. And the recommendation based on this example is to reduce the usage of too much plugs. So next we have the example of chemical hazards such as the dyeing and also washing chemicals. So it might cause to poisoning due to the direct contact, and the recommendation is to replace with the chemicals which is safer and economical to be used. And last but not least is the ergonomic hazards which might be caused by the improper posture. So there are several examples of the inappropriate position of machine in the industry, and employer is recommended to make adjustment based on the worker in order to make them more comfortable to work.
Next, we will talk about the potential health effects and controls. The potential health effects in cloth printing industry are inhalation of cotton dust, which can cause respiratory issues, direct contact with chemicals, which cause skin allergy, and noise disturbance, which can cause hearing loss and mental health related issues due to long-term exposure. Herein, some of the low-cost controls are suggested as shown. Furthermore, the additional control measures could be done in order to reduce the hazards and risks in the workplace. Thank you for lending your ears.